Good morning guys! Welcome to another start of a vlog. It's Wednesday, so hindi ako nag-vlog yesterday. And this might be a start of a new video or a new vlog. So they're showing me
a sock for Christmas, and Santa gave me this. And
Aga naman ng Christmas. The baby is... Ay, tinanggal naman ang mood niyan. Okay, so let's do a quick pick me up kasi merong ang dami na naman nilang sana yun. Ayan. Mga binigay kahapon. Nagdala na naman sila ng mga damit-damit, ganyan. Ligpit-ligpit muna tayo. Pang mga toys. Actually, ang alam ko kain ko na toys before eh. Doll. There's the baby. There's the baby. Cutie baby.
Meow meow. Meow meow.
Cute.
Yeah.
So, I went on a full rant about how I have not posted in 9 days. And guess what, guys? The same thing is happening right now. Na parehong-pareho yung struggle ko during this time. I'm gonna go back to editing. And, yeah, hopefully, I'll get to post this today.
Okay, so hi guys. I'm going on a date with mommy, and I'm hugging her. And we just ordered something, and we're waiting for the phone to turn on so it can connect to mommy's Wi-Fi.
Okay.
I think it's already here. I think it's already open.
Open up to me, don't give up so easily. Open up your eyes and see there's more to our story. Don't leave me hanging. Don't leave me hanging on.
Pwede naman. May vaccine naman na siya. Oh, hello. Hi. You like it? What's your drink?
Calamansi.
Ano yung binibili mo dahil dito?
Alin? Hey everyone, good afternoon. Late start of the vlog. We just finished lunch. So we had lunch sa Idang's, yung malapit lang dito sa village namin. Biglaan lang siya actually. Dapat magluluto si Omar ng ulam, pero hindi sumagot yung nagde-deliver. So, last minute, punta kami doon, kaya mga nakapambahay lang kami kanina. Actually, pag pupunta naman talaga kami doon, nakapambahay lang kami. Pero matagal na rin kami hindi nagda-dine-in doon. I think yung last is, hindi kami nag-dine-in, bumili lang kami ng pansit Malabon. Tapos, last year yon. Pero yung dine-in talaga, it's been a while. And ang masasabi ko lang ay medyo pricey na sila ngayon as compared to before. I mean, hindi naman talaga ganun kamura yung food nila. Pero, mas nagmahal yung food nila ngayon. So, grabe yung presyo. And hindi ko naman masisisi kasi sobrang talagang nagmahal naman lahat ng bilihin. So, talagang lahat ng businesses kailangan mag-adjust ng pricing. So, that's just the sad reality na wala kailangan. And tayong mga consumers, we have to endure that. Tayo yung kailangan mag-adjust din. So, yan. Especially with us, siguro big adjustment rin na 5 sa amin, sa family namin, ay kumakain na. What I mean by that is, kasi before, si Ain and AV, syempre nung maliliit pa sila, parang nag-share lang sila ng, let's say, ng ulam or ng meal. But since ngayon, teenagers na sila, so tig-isang meal na rin sila, ganon. Tapos si Art din, malaki na rin siya, magana na rin siya kumain, so isang meal na rin yung kanya. Dati parang hinahatian lang siya, or bawa ako, meron akong ulam, hindi naman kasi ako ganun kalakas mag-ulam, so bibigyan ko siya, ganyan. It also has something to do with that. Kumbaga, kaya mas mahal na yung nagagastos pag lumalabas, pag kumakain sa labas, kasi nga, there's also that factor na malaki na yung mga bata, malaki na yung mga anak namin, so mas malaki na talaga yung nagiging expenses. But anyway, minsan lang kami lumabas. Actually, since nag-pandemic, minsan na lang kami nag-order ng food, minsan na lang kami nagda-dine out. Hindi kagaya before the pandemic, na talagang parang every week, nagda-dine out kami somewhere, every week nagmo-mall, or nag-order sa fast food, yung mga ganyan. So, medyo naging mas, I'd like to think, mas naging smarter naman na kami when it comes to stewardship of our resources or our money. So, yun lang, wala lang. Share ko lang. Actually, to be honest, hindi dapat ako magba-vlog today. But since lumabas nga kami, naisip ko, why not? Why not? Okay, so, si Ail ay nasa baba, pero pinapaakyat ko na siya kay Ain kasi mukhang kailangan niya ng milk. O baka umano yung likod.
It's easier for me. Hey, hold outside.
No one.
Okay? Okay, my hair, bro.
Ay. Ate Ain naman, puro bukok naman ang Ate Ain.
Hey,
Kita
ka sa camera.
Hindi. Tinatatakpan ko naman yung
Ay,
kumikita. Oh, no, baby ko na iwan yan kaya Ain. Ha? Gusto na yung polka dots. Iniwan sa cars. Pakuha na lang doon.
Sabi ko kay Avis, hindi ko alam paano siya tanggalin kasi hindi ko talaga siya matanggal. Tapos pag ano lang yung tanggal din.
Pipress mo lang yung red. Siyempre, kailangan mahirap tanggalin. Hindi gusto mo natanggal ng bata yung sarili niya. Yan yung purpose. Don't show yourself kasi.
Hey. Mom. Hey, yo.
What's up?
I'm going to beat the cameraman. How could you say that?
Because it's the truth.
Mommy, I thought you loved me. Now you said me and Marcia are correct.
Yeah.
Mommy, I thought you loved me.
I love you even though you're correct. So this na.
I just video myself doing the floss.
Doing the floss.
Look at this. Now look at this. I'm doing the floss on you.
maulan ngayon, guys. Kaya binuksan ko yung ilaw. Kasi sobrang dilim. Usually, well, di naman usually. Nag-start lang yesterday. Umuulan ng mga after lunch. So, kanina nga, akala ko hindi kami makakalabas for lunch. Kasi biglang dumilim, kumulog, ganyan. Tapos, ang gray-gray na ng langit. Pero, hindi naman ganun kalakas. So, nakalabas pa rin kami. Ayo! Ayo! Hello, my baby! Hello, baby Ariel! Hello? So anyway guys, just an update. So nakapag-upload na ako ng bagong vlog. It's already up. It's the vlog wherein I decluttered yung acrylic drawer ko na yan. Obviously, I have not resumed decluttering my makeup table, but I'm going to do that soon. Actually, naisip ko, today ko siya gagawin. Pwede ko siyang gawin today since nandito naman si Ian and Evie and wala naman akong planong gawin today. So, maybe we can do that. Para naman medyo may sense yung ating vlog for today. So, ayan. But anyway, if you wanna see the first part of the declutter, do watch that video. I'm going to link it in the cards. Okay, so start off tayo with this, lipstick rack or lipstick storage. So, I have these lip liners, I think. Actually, hindi ko naman ginagamit tong mga to. Pero, keep ko pa rin sila in case. And then, I have these ones from ColourPop. These are going. And then, okay. Then, there's this lip liner from Essence. Medyo matagal na rin to. I don't know if you can see. Wait nga. Bangit ng angulo. Ayan, medyo ano na siya. Nasira na yung tip niya. So, I'm going to dispose that. And then this one's Mineral Fusion na lip liner din. Dispose na rin yan. This lip pencil from Everbilena. Ayaw na niya sumulat, guys. Ayan o, very ano na. Hindi na siya sumusulat. So, dispose na natin yan. And then, this one, eyeliner. Disposing this. Matagal na din yan. Itong Max and More lip liner. Another Everbilena lip pencil. This one is in Cappuccino. Ito rin. Ayaw na niya rin sumulat. So, this is going. Lustrous na eyeliner. This is eyeliner ng Lustrous BYS. Yung kay Nadine Lustre. Ayan, ito pwede pa. Ayan, sumusulat pa siya. So, I'm going to keep this. Actually, check ko na rin itong mga to. Kung sumusulat. Okay, hindi na to sumusulat din. So, that's going. This one, Wet n Wild. Ito meron pa. Keep natin yan. This one is from Wet n Wild also. Ito rin, wala nang sulat. Hindi na siya sumusulat. So, change of plans. This is going as well. I have this, what is this? Milani na liquid lipstick. Okay pa naman yung amoy niya. And I think okay pa rin yung kanyang, yeah, ayun siya. So, keeping this. Again, all the ColourPop lipsticks are going. Kasi isa yan sa mga first few makeup products that I own. Ito wala na, nagbitak-bitak na. Ewan ko kung makikita nyo. Ayan na. So, going na rin yan siya. So, another one. This is from NYX. Okay, so I have here lipsticks from Maybelline. Ayan, medyo madami-dami to. Matagal na rin tong mga to. So, I think I should part ways with this already. Yeah, hindi na maganda yung amoy nila. So, wait lang. Actually, I'm going to hold on to this. Hindi ko muna sila i-dispose. Check ko muna kung okay pa sila sa lips. Pero medyo matagal na yon. So, huwag niyo kong gayahin, guys. And then, I have here Anastasia Beverly Hills na I think this is a liquid lipstick. Ayan, nag-crack na rin siya. So, for me, pag ganyan na yung itsura, ibig sabihin, masyado na siyang dry. So, dispose na yan. And, wala yung laman nito. Hindi ko lang punasan. We have a Jazzy France na, this is also a liquid lipstick. Ayan. Nag-ano na rin siya. So, this is going. And then, another Jazzy France na liquid lipstick. Ayan. Ito isa to sa mga favorite ko. Itong Jazzy France liquid lustrous lip gloss in ano nga bang yung shade niya. Ayan, Ice Princess. Ayan, isa to sa mga favorite ko before. Okay, and then yung natira na lang are my MAC lipsticks. So, hindi ko sila ila-let go. Pero pupunasan ko sila para malinis ko rin itong pinakalagayan. So, I will be cleaning this up lang sa banyo. BRB. Okay, so pinapatuyo ko pa muna yung lagayan ng lipstick na yon. So, for now, itong mga lipsticks na tinira ko ay ilalagay ko muna sila dito sa acrylic drawer dahil wala naman ang nakakalagay dito talaga. Okay, next, I'm going to go through this brush holder. Actually, itong mga brushes na ito, kailangan lang nilang malabhan. Ayan. This one, I'm going to let this go na. Ang tagal-tagal na yan. Then, I have this Art Deco na lip liner. Letting go. I have, actually, ito, sa brush to eh. So, ewan ko kung ba't nandito pa rin yan. We have pencil lang yan. And then, another brush. Another brush. This one. And then, ito. Ayan. And we have a small brush here. Which I'm thinking of keeping. Para pag nag-travel, ganun. Actually, ito yung brush na kasama nung holder kanina. Ayan. So, yep. Actually, ito rin. Pwede ko itong labhan. So, for these brushes, I usually put yung mga used brushes ko na due for washing dito lang sa ibabaw nitong drawer ko na to. Alright, so that's it for kung ano man yung nandito na makeup ko sa ibabaw ng mismong table. But I still have 3 drawers over here that I need to go through and see what I can dispose already. Can I do that? Dito si AL. Total, mabait naman si AL. So, maybe we can... I don't know if I can. Binuksan ko yung drawer and suddenly, I don't know if I can actually declutter this. So, pero ito yung drawer number 1. And then, this is drawer number 2. More on mga eyeshadows to. Pero meron din dito mga blushes and bronzers. And then this is drawer number 3. Usually, ang nilalagay ko dyan ay yung mga spare na makeup ko. Mga hindi pa gamit. Karamihan. Na-dispose ko. Or I'm parting ways with. Ayan. Dito rin yung mga makeup na nilet go ko during the first part of this declutter. Ayan sila. And medyo mabigat na siya. Medyo half full. Half full na tong paper bag na to.